I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth.
Hey lovebos, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. This unit, as you guys can see, is the headband wig, and I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it comes with this little velcro thing that you can use to, will use to apply the wig. So now I am putting the wig on. Okay, for those of you who do not already watch my channel and know nothing about me, child, I shaved my head recently, and I also shaved my edges. So your girl ain't got no edges, child, but your girl made it work. Okay, I'll go into more detail about that later, but yeah, I made it work, honey. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, I made it work because I'm wearing it anyway. So yeah, right here I am applying the wig, and honestly y'all, I thought that band right there, that black one, because I had not seen any of the others videos, I thought that was the headband. So I was like, why did they send me more headbands? Child, I was so confused. So right here I'm putting the headband on and I'm figuring it out. Okay, so yeah, I'm just playing with it and trying to figure out like, how are we gonna do this, girl, and how you gonna make it look decent because you ain't got no edges. But as you guys see, I made it look decent. I made it kind of come together, give you guys the illusion that I got some edges, child. But anyway, so yeah, the rest is just going to be me styling the wig, and I'm going to put on all the different headbands. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in more details and specs as well as seeing the other headbands, then please continue to watch, and I will see you lovebugs in the outro. Bye. Y'all, so I obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This wig, honey, I feel like this wig is everywhere right now. Like, this is like the lazy girl type of wig, okay? And as you guys know, I am a lazy girl, okay? I'm gonna give you guys the details and specs on this unit that I have right here. Okay, it says style headband wig, texture water wave, length is 16 inches, and then they got 13 by 6. I don't know why they got 13 by 6 because it ain't nobody's frontal, but whatever. It's 16 inches, the density is 150%, and it is in a natural color. Okay, so those are the details and specs, and as you guys saw, it did come with multiple headbands that I did use and put on, let you guys see what that looked like. Yeah. Now, as far as the hair texture, this is a water wave. It's not tangly. It's like a really soft, curly water wave type of look, and I like that. So that's the hair. I didn't put anything on the hair. I feel like I wanted it to be big. I prefer bigger hair when it comes to headbands. Anytime I wear a headband or a scarf or something, I do prefer like big hair like this. So I didn't put anything on the hair, but you obviously can. It is human hair, so you can apply something, you know, to it if you want to. Now, this unit did come with, or does come with, 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. There is no adjustable straps, and as you guys saw, it has the little band that I initially thought was the whole headband. Like I thought that the wig wig came like that was the headband, but it is not, honey. Okay, so it does come with headbands. I didn't watch anybody else's video on purpose because I like to have my own opinion when it comes to things like this. So I haven't watched anybody's video. So I thought that the wig came with the headband already on it. No, you put the headband on it. The little thing that comes with it is just like to lay the wig down, and then you put the headband on top of it. So as I stated, it did come with multiple headbands. It came with these headbands. You can get headbands anywhere. Like you can get them from Walmart or Burlington, or you know, wherever you shop at, or the beauty supply store, and you can get a headband anywhere, child. I mean, it's a headband. Headbands you can get literally anywhere. So yeah. But these headbands did come with it, you know, just so I can demonstrate and show you guys, you know, what's good, like what was the look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's not a whole lot that I even have to, that I can think of to say about it. Now you can wear the hair differently if you want to, and I may style it differently just so you guys can see. But it is, like I said, a lazy girl. This is a mom wig, honey. Okay. or a busy person wig, like, or just somebody that's just lazy, girl. Okay, so yeah, that is like that. As far as the construction and all of that with this wig, it's not a whole lot of construction. Now as far as how I feel about it and some issues that I may or may have had with this wig, if you are interested in that, then please continue to watch. Okay, so as you guys probably already know, I am obviously a fan of this wig. I love stuff like this because I am lazy, honey. Okay, and not only am I lazy, I'm bald right now. So this is definitely something that I love because I don't like having to take the time to put on my wigs every single day, girl. So to have something that you can just literally throw on, snap in the back, throw a headband on it, and go out the house, honey, that's me all day. Like, and especially with it being curly, so I didn't even have to flat iron her. Okay, I didn't have to do anything to her. I did nothing to her. Okay, the hair came really soft and nice. So yeah, this is like this is a dream wig for somebody like me. Okay, so the issue that I did have was the fact that I shaved my head and I shaved my edges. Child, don't ask me why I shaved my edges. I saw Glamazante do it in a video and I was like, I'm gonna do that too. Yeah, so I did that, and honestly my hair is growing back a lot faster than my edges, child. Like, my hair is maybe 3 or 4 inches long now, but my doggone edges are still bald. So that being said, when it comes to wigs like this, I feel like they look better and they look more natural when you can push them back. Now obviously you don't have to push it back if you don't want to, but it does have a more natural look when you push it back. I know I saw pictures of the Hearts and Cakes 90, and girl, I love it. It looks so nice on her, so freaking nice, like so natural. Love it. So I wish I could have did that look for you guys, but I ain't got enough edges, girl. You lucky that I was able to do what you didn't see me do. Okay, so don't judge me, sis. Also, I have a very big forehead. So I always tell you guys that I use the black china method to make my forehead smaller, meaning this, like, I have this little area right here. This little area, I don't know if you guys can see. You can see it better when I don't have on makeup. But I bruised my forehead from putting a wig on too tight. And this right here lets me know where I normally wear my wigs. And you know, obviously I'm wearing it all the way back here, and it's like, girl, that forehead is on 10. Okay, so yeah, those are my only issues with it, but I love it, girl. I'm gonna wear her. She gonna wear her out in these streets, honey. Okay, this is like, yes, to me, honey. I think it's a look. I don't even care that my forehead is on 500. My husband think it's cute, but he always saw my forehead anyway. So yeah. Also, I didn't have the right edge control to even lay down the little baby hairs that you guys see. I'm actually using Journey's little girl stuff, and obviously this stuff isn't like serious edge control because I use it on my baby's hair, so I don't have any serious edge control. So my hair wants to curl back up. You know how our hair do. So that's been an issue as well. But I will be going out at some point, child, and getting some real edge control, and I may get some of that colored edge control to make it look you know, less sparse, honey. Okay, so yeah, but I love it. As I stated, I do feel like this is a lazy girl's dream. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So let me know what you guys think. Are y'all feeling it? Child, if you see some white up there, I do have scalp psoriasis, so don't judge me, girl. So let me know what you guys think. If you're feeling it, let me know down below. If you own one of these wigs and you love it, let me know. If you're interested in getting this unit from Ywigs, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.